So, goodbye, Chevy. A good old truck. And hello, the Ford. So, we've got a 2000 Lariat here. I'm going to grind those down a bit, spray bomb them. It's going to be my new farm truck. Hey, yeah, buddy, this is our last ride in the Chevy. It's sad to see the old Chevy go, eh, bud? For riding a Chevy?
No, thanks.
No? Bet you wish your Kono could do that, eh?
Oh, you bet.
Jump on in. We'll go maybe stop a neck for a while.
Yeah, in your dreams, buddy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll bend you over the
Oh.
tailgate. There goes the old Chevy. Just like that. Yeah, so the upgrade is a Ford, but 2000 Lariat 4-wheel drive. That might get me into some trouble, but this is a top of line truck in its day. 340K on it. That the old typical Ford rust. But I'm gonna give that some redneck body work and slow it down a little bit. Might put the chains on her. Okay, that's what it looks like. I hit that with the grinder with the sanding disc on. It's almost through right there. Touch that a little bit. Give her the old trim clad treatment. Okay. Not bad. That's pretty close. Trim clad gloss. Hey, that's how you do redneck body work around here. Well, that's the after. Actually, that trim clad black blends in pretty good. I did some of the frame, and oh, don't get me started on those center caps, but so on the black truck, the rust doesn't show up quite as bad, but you'll see those white ones with the rust on. Like, come on guys, just sand it out a bit and spray it with white paint. Trust me, it looks better than rust. This was done, same thing, probably 3 months ago. Just an over-the-counter spray bomb. Patched it up pretty good, did that along the edge of the door. And right here, the rust was pretty bad. Come on, let's go. New truck. Yeah, I'll move that seat back. We'll get a little more room in here. Oh. We're gonna have to get rid of that beep. All right. You think, buddy, you getting used to the new truck? You slide around a little bit on that leather, don't you? Yeah, let's go get some wood. Oh boy. Yeah, Joe Biden said it's gonna be a cold winter, so yeah, gotta stock up the woodshed. Okay, let's do a poll here. If you could get one of these two trucks delivered to your door tomorrow, brand new, would you take this 93 Chevy Silverado two-wheel drive, or would you take this 2000 Ford 150 Lariat fully loaded four-wheel drive? This, I don't know, it'd be interesting to see. Just comment. Curious to see what everyone would take in this bowl. This Chevy's cloth buckets, $3.50. Good little truck in its day. Let me know. Oh yeah, you're a good girl.